Choosing the right mechanical keyboard can be overwhelming, especially with countless options promising superior performance. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 5 mechanical keyboards available on Amazon in 2026, comparing their features, durability, and overall feel. Stick around because our number one pick offers an unexpected blend of comfort and functionality that you won't want to miss. And remember, the links to every product are in the description below. So check current prices and subscribe for more insights. Redragon K521 Upgrade Rainbow LED Gaming Keyboard. The Redragon K521 is an excellent choice for budget-conscious gamers looking to elevate their gameplay without breaking the bank. This keyboard features customizable rainbow LED backlighting that can enhance your gaming setup's aesthetics. It boasts a solid build with a high-quality mechanical feel, providing tactile feedback that's satisfying during fast-paced gaming sessions. Ideal for casual gamers or anyone who wants a unique visual flair, the K521 also includes a dedicated gaming mode to disable the Windows key, preventing accidental interruptions. A minor drawback is that some users may find the keyboard a bit noisy, which could distract others in a shared space. Logitech G213 Prodigy Wired RGB Gaming Keyboard. Step up your gaming experience with the Logitech G213 Prodigy, designed for the avid gamer seeking both performance and value. This keyboard features customizable RGB lighting and a durable, spill-resistant design, making it perfect for intense gaming marathons. The G213's responsive keys provide a quiet, tactile feel, ensuring quick action without disturbing others in your vicinity. Gamers who appreciate programmable keys will love the customization options available through the Logitech gaming software. However, the plastic construction may not feel as premium as other higher-end keyboards, which could be a concern for some users. Redragon Mechanical Gaming Keyboard Wired. The Redragon Mechanical Gaming Keyboard Wired stands out for its incredible value and performance that rivals more expensive models. Featuring durable mechanical switches, this keyboard delivers precise keystrokes and a satisfying click that many gamers crave. It's equipped with customizable RGB lighting and offers multiple lighting effects to match your gaming setup. Ideal for gamers who prioritize both functionality and aesthetics, the Redragon design also includes a wrist rest for added comfort during lengthy sessions. One downside is that the software for customization could be more user-friendly, which may present a learning curve for some users. Redragon K580 Wired RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The Redragon K580 is the perfect blend of quality and performance, making it an excellent choice for serious gamers who demand more from their equipment. This keyboard features a durable, high-quality build along with customizable RGB lighting that enhances its sleek design. With dedicated media controls and programmable keys, the K580 allows gamers to tailor their setup to their specific needs. Its fast response keys ensure you won't miss any crucial moments in your gameplay. However, it can be a bit bulky, which might not suit users looking for a more compact option. SteelSeries USB Apex 5 Hybrid Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The SteelSeries USB Apex 5 Hybrid Mechanical Gaming Keyboard takes the top spot for its innovative blend of features, performance, and comfort. This keyboard features hybrid mechanical switches, providing the best of both worlds with a tactile feel and quieter operation than traditional mechanical switches. Its customizable RGB lighting is fully programmable, allowing you to create unique effects for each key. Ideal for competitive gamers, the Apex 5 includes dedicated multimedia controls and a sturdy, lightweight design that enhances portability. While it's slightly pricier than other options, the build quality and performance make it worth the investment. Thanks for tuning in to our roundup of the top 5 mechanical keyboards of 2026. Each option offers unique features suited for different gaming styles and preferences. Whichever keyboard you choose, you're now equipped with the knowledge to make an informed decision. Don't forget to check the links in the description for current prices, and if you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button for more great content.